ticket for urinating in public on January 2nd.
Yes, ma'am.
That does not require jail time. Therefore, I wanted to find out, number one, either whether you would like to set it for trial, or you can talk to the prosecutor about some kind of resolution. So that's what I'm hoping we'll do today, is at least you talk with her and hear the offer. If you don't like it, then we can clearly set it for trial.
Well, can I throw something on the table right now to you?
What do you want to say?
Okay, well, I was gonna say that I know exactly what the ticket is for. And basically I was gonna say if before I take a plea on, I probably would take a plea on guilty. I know that you're a fair judge and everything, but what I'm gonna say is I think that all places of business should have a place to use the restroom if you patronizing them. And you know what I'm saying? I was under the force of having to use the restroom. And so basically that's the way it was. I asked them, did they have a restroom? They said, not a public restroom. I said, hey, sir, I need to use the restroom. If you got a restroom not for the public, can I use your guys' restroom? And
Right,
so
I
basically,
understand. Mhm.
if we go sit here and just keep on going over with, I'm just gonna ready. I'm ready to resolve it right now. If we don't discuss no jail time, I've been in jail for almost a
Right,
month since I got this ticket,
right, right.
and
Well,
so
I think it's on some other matters, not just on this ticket.
okay, what is the
Um,
other matter?
well,
I got an unresolved bond. I mean, not a
you've
bond,
got
but
a possession case, a 24 criminal matter
yeah,
possession
but I
case that's over in district court. I don't have anything to do with it. But
okay, but I
that's why
paid nine.
you're in jail, not because of this ticket.
Okay, yeah, I got something going on here in the county.
Correct.
Okay,
Right.
but I do got another ticket over there for what I paid on the fine. It's like a $200 fine, and I paid
Mhm.
110 on that. I was gonna see, can we resolve that issue too while
Right.
I'm in here and give me that time for that?
I only have authority to deal with this ticket,
Oh,
not
okay,
other things over in district court.
all
So
right.
did you just want to pay a fine on this matter?
Now this is in municipal court, ma'am.
Correct.
I'm talking about the ticket I'm talking about is in municipal. It's a $200 fine, and I paid
Oh, wait a
110
minute.
on it.
I see. Wait, hang on a second.
Yeah,
Let me see. You got this. It was a possession of drug case,
yep.
and let me see how much you still owe on it.
I
You
think it's
paid 100. You still owe 103.
okay. So what I
Yeah.
was gonna ask is, since I didn't did a month in here, can we go on ahead and call that off the chart?
Well, and that's why you can talk to the prosecutor about both of these charges,
All right,
what
can I
you
talk to the
owe
prosecutor
and
then?
yeah.
All right,
The person that gave you those headphones, ask him to put you in a breakout and you can talk to the prosecutor.
you know what to do. Okay,
Hold it. Come on.
Yeah.
A lot of hand signals and
that's
stuff.
fine.
You can talk to, you'll talk. Bring the phone. She'll update the judge, so just to answer any questions that she asks.
Yes. Have we figured this out?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
city's going to go ahead and dismiss this charge and he can focus on paying the fines that he has pending.
All right. Mr. Garner, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, ma'am.
We're dismissing the urinating in public. You'll still owe that $103. It is in payment status. I will tell you that eventually this year, at some point, the court is going to start putting things in collection. So the quicker you get this paid, the quicker you'll be. All right.
All right. Well, the quicker I get out of here, the quicker I'll work on that.
I got you. I
All right. Thank
appreciate
you.
it.
Uh-huh.
All right. That'll end the hearing if you have no other questions.
No, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
And Mr. Dominguez.
Hello, sir. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. Looks like back on November 17th of 2025, you received some tickets, no insurance, no registration for the vehicle, and no driver's license. I wish for you to understand that you do have a right to a trial in these matters. What I'd like for you to do is visit with the prosecutor to hear any kind of plea offer they would give you. If you don't like the plea offer, we can clearly set it for trial. So if you would ask the lady or the gentleman that gave you the headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to talk to the prosecutor in private about this case.
All right, yeah, I'd like to do that.
All right. Just ask, yeah, he'll put you in a breakout.
All right, Judge, we're going to dismiss the no insurance charge, guilty on the switch tags with a $100 fine, And for the driver's license required, he's pleading guilty to failure to display with a $100 fine on that. With court costs, it's $223.50.
All right, Mr. Dominguez, did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial, but by entering the pleas that was suggested, you're giving up your right to that trial?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
I said yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. So I do note that by entering these pleas, it looks like, are you going to be taken to KDOC?
Nah, I don't think so.
Okay. When do you believe you'll be getting out?
By next month, March
Okay.
26th.
Okay. Because I have to set a payment date. And so I just want to be something, reasonable that makes sense,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Um, if I set it for the end of April, do you think that would give you enough time? I don't know if you have people outside that might be able to help you
Nah, I'm
also
gonna have to
with,
do it on myself when I get out.
okay, I understand. So the total is going to be $223.50 for pleading to the no tag and the no driver's license. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If I go to the end of April, it'll be April 24th. If you're out, but you still can't get it paid, you can always come to court and ask for more time.
All right. Yeah,
All
that's
right.
fine.
And we'll send paperwork over for that April 24th date at 1 o'clock.
All right.
All right. Did you have any questions at all?
No, ma'am.
All right. The only obligation you have to the court is the payment now. There's no other cases. All right.
All right.
All right. If you don't have any other questions, you can give your headphones back to the jailer.
Believe we're done there.
Yes, thank
All
you.
right. You bet. New pod, new floor. The next three on my list are all in the same pod: Weddington, Barnes, and Anderson. I'll be
All
back.
right, sounds great. Really had to go to Jupiter. Out there. How big is that place over there? I mean, I don't think it's even that big. Come on now.
Maybe they had an issue.
You know, yeah, it's possible. They've had issues before. I gotta say that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Judge, pardon me, we got behind a bit of a road bump here. I hadn't forgot. The deputy is aware. There's just something that's got to be taken care of. So I thought I'd give you an update. Here he comes
Uh,
now. So I'm should be the same three I told you. Stand
All
by.
right. Sounds good. Thank you.
Pardon me, Judge, Mr. Weddington is ready, and then Barnes after that, and Henderson will be third.
All right, thank you. Hello, Mr. Weddington. I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. It looks like they stem from October of 2025. There's a no driver's license and a no registration ticket. You have an absolute right to a trial in these matters. What I'd like for you to do is visit with the prosecutor to see what she has to offer in way of plea. If you don't like the plea, we'll set it for trial. So if you'd ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak with the prosecutor in private.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it goes on. Fine. Understand. We're gonna talk to the prosecutor. Station.
All right, Judge.
Yes.
We're going to dismiss the driver's license required charge and have Mr. Weddington plead guilty on the operating without tags with a $100 fine and then the $23.50 in court costs.
Did you understand that, Mr. Weddington?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that how you want to proceed today?
Yes.
By entering this plea, you are giving up your right to a trial. You understand that?
Yes, I do.
And you still want to do that?
Yes.
All right. To the charge of basically no registration on the vehicle, how do you plead guilty or not guilty?
I had registration on the vehicle, Your Honor, because it's a brand new vehicle and I had just brought it.
Well, that's what she's saying you'll plead to.
Oh, well, yes, well, yeah, I plead guilty.
Is that how you want to go? Or if you have registration, you could have somebody bring it and show the prosecutor if you want to do that.
Well, I just go this way. It'd be more quicker and easier.
All right. So how do you plead guilty or not guilty to that no tag?
No, guilty.
I'll accept your plea. The other charge will be dismissed. You'll have that basically the total of $123.50 to pay. Do you know when you'll be released?
No, I don't, Your Honor.
All right. If I go to the end of April, do you think you could get it paid by then?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Sure
right,
can.
and maybe you could have somebody, you know, be befriend you and pay it for you while you're in, you know.
Yeah,
But I'll say April 24th will be your date. We'll send it over to the jail, April 24th at 1 o'clock.
okay,
And if you get it paid before then, great. If it isn't paid or you haven't paid anything and you are out, you can come and ask for more time.
okay.
All
Sounds
right.
good. Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you have any other questions?
No, Your Honor, I don't.
All right. Well, that'll end the hearing and you have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Barnes. Yeah, Mr. Barnes.
All right.
I like to wipe them off.
Hello, Mr. Barnes. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have an unresolved matter here. It looks like you received a ticket back August 5th of 2025 for driving while suspended. You have an absolute right to a trial on this matter. However, what I'd like for you to do is visit with the prosecutor to see if what kind of plea offer she has. If you don't like the plea offer, we can set it for trial.
Okay.
So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in what's called a breakout room, you can
Okay.
talk to the prosecutor in private.
Okay. Sure. Can you put me in the breakout room?
Yes, absolutely. No, put that on. Put those on. You're fine. Do it. You're going to talk to the prosecutor. I'm sure
Okay.
the judge told you.
Judge, we're gonna plead this down to a disorderly conduct with a $150 fine.
Okay. Get that in here. Mr. Barnes, did you understand what the prosecutor said?
Yes, ma'am.
That the charge would be amended to a disorderly conduct.
Yes, ma'am.
So that does not affect your driving record at all, which is helpful because driving while suspended really messes up your driver's license even worse.
Yes.
All right, but by entering this plea, you're giving up your right to a trial. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So to the amended charge of disorderly conduct, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right, the total will be $173.50. I show that this charge will not be holding you in custody anymore, but I'm not sure you'll be getting out immediately because there's some other issues going on
Yeah.
with you.
I understand
Do you have any idea when you'll be released?
that. No, ma'am, I haven't.
Oh.
I don't.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll give you time to pay. I'll go to the end of April, April 24th at 1 o'clock. If you are in custody, then clearly if you are in our jail, we'll know and can extend the time. If you're out of custody, though, you would need to come to court and ask for more time. All right.
Okay.
If you have a friend or something that might want to get it paid for you, that would be, something that you could consider.
Right. Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. Did you have any questions at all?
No.
All right. Well, then that will conclude the hearing, and I wish you good luck in your other matters.
Thank you very much. I appreciate
All right. You have a good day.
it.
Anderson now, Judge.
All right. Mr. Anderson, I'm Judge Whitman with Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. It looks like you received some tickets July 19th of 2025. They are driving while suspended, no registration, no insurance.
Yes, ma'am.
What I want to let you know is that you have an absolute trial on these matters. But what I'd like for you to do is visit with the prosecutor to see what kind of plea offer she has.
Okay.
If you do not like the plea offer, we can clearly set it for trial.
Okay.
So the person that gave you those headphones, if you ask him to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to talk to the prosecutor in private.
Okay.
All right.
Breakout.
Yeah, it goes on. Yep.
Okay.
Judge Stead, I'm going to put you in what's called a private.
All right, Judge.
Yes.
We are going to dismiss the suspended license charge. Guilty on the no registration with $100 fine, and then amend the no insurance charge to a disorderly conduct with a $100 fine.
All right. Mr. Anderson, did you understand what the prosecutor said?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The to make it well, do you have the rec in there already?
Oh, I have forgot
Yeah.
to save. There we
No,
go.
no worries. Because it looks like the driving while suspended will be outright dismissed.
Okay.
The registration you are going to plead to, and that's $100 fine.
Okay.
And then she's amending the no insurance to a disorderly conduct for another $100 fine.
Okay.
So your total would be $223.50.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, by entering these pleas, you're giving up your right to a trial. You understand that?
That's fine.
Because if you wanted a trial, we'd set it. If you were still in custody, we'd bring you over, we'd have the trial.
Right. No, I'm good with it.
All right. All right. So for the charge of no registration, how do you plead guilty or not guilty?
No registration. I guilty.
And to the amended charge of disorderly conduct, how do you plead guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. I will accept your pleas. The other charge of driving while suspended will be dismissed.
Thank you.
The fines and costs will be assessed for the $223.50.
Yes, ma'am.
I will go to the end of April
Okay.
for payment.
Okay.
If we know that you're still in custody, we can move the date. If you are out of custody, and it's not paid, you'd have to come to court and ask for more time.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Did you have any questions at all?
Yes. Am I going to be released today?
Let me look at what my notes say.
Because I'd like to ask for an OR bond. I've never been in any trouble here.
Right, yeah. Let me see if there is any other holds on you other than this.
And I'm with the Kim Wilson program.
Good. Well, I will tell you,
With
sir,
wind
that
up.
I understand, but what I'm looking at
Uh-huh.
is there is what's called a 48-hour hold on you,
Okay.
and the district attorney's office has that 48 hours to determine whether they're going to formally charge you with something.
Uh-huh.
So that's what's going on right now. If they decide not to charge you, you'll be released because we're not holding you.
Okay.
Okay. So the only hold right now is that 48-hour hold for them
Okay.
to decide.
All
Okay.
right. Okay.
All right. So, and if they decide not to, then you'll be released.
And if they decide to?
Then you'll be hearing from a different judge concerning that.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Thank
Anything else?
No.
All right. All right. That'll conclude the hearing. You can give the headphones back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, I'm going to do an audible. We're going to do Wilson next from my list. He's actually
Okay.
next door. I got my list a little backwards, so give me a
No,
minute. I'll
that's
be
all
over
right.
there.
Yeah.
Back soon.
Mhm. This Christopher Wilson has that date of birth of 1981. He has trespassing
Yes.
and yeah. So since we have more than one in there.
Pardon me, Judge, Mr. Wilson is here.
All right, thank you.
You bet.
Hello, Mr. Wilson. I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court.
Yes, ma'am.
You have an unresolved matter here. It is one charge of trespassing. Let me get to it here. It looks like you received the ticket back November 21st of 2025 at 4725 State Avenue. I wish you to understand they have an absolute right to a trial in this matter. However, I would like you to visit with the prosecutor to see what kind of plea offer she has. If you don't like what she's offering, then we can clearly set this matter for trial. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you can talk to the prosecutor in private about this.
Okay, keep me in the breakout room. I,
Judge, Mr. Wilson and I were not able to reach an agreement and he would like to set the case for trial.
Okay. Do you happen to know if it's what officer it is to
Let
an
me
AM or PM?
check.
And let me double check with.
Officer Jansen.
Johnson. All right. And is he a AM, PM, Fridays?
I do not have the list with me, I'm afraid.
Miss Sherry, do you happen to have the list?
No, but looks like he is Friday at no.
All right, what we're going to do, Mr. Wilson, is once we determine when the officer can be present, we're going to send over paperwork to the jail to have you transported over here for trial. All right, because it looks like the information right now that you're in custody and you have not been set for prelim yet, so we'll be able to get you fitted in, and we'll bring you over to have you go have the trial. All right.
Yeah, but when you say the date, what was I called this case again?
This case, it looks like you received the ticket November 21st, 2025. It was at 7:01, and it was at 4725 State Avenue.
7:01 in the morning.
No, in the evening. In the evening, PM.
And what day again? I'm sorry, November.
No, November 21st
Okay.
of
All right.
last year. All right. So
Yeah, 'cause I just
that's,
got out of prison in December.
yeah, no, November.
No, I got out of prison in December.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay.
Yeah, but in November I was in county jail already.
Okay. Well, this is what we're going to do. Because that can be checked. They have records, okay,
Right.
whether you were in or not. And so the prosecutor can take that into account if they want to still proceed if you were in custody. Now, if you weren't, we're going to set it for trial and we'll have you brought over to go to trial. But you are going to trial on your own. I cannot appoint an attorney for this because there's not really any jail time associated with it. All right.
So I'll get an OR into the end.
No, I
Then
don't
there's
have any
jail time
authority to get, yeah,
associated.
you're not being held on this trespass charge.
I'm saying
You're
right,
being-
but if I get out, was I was able to make bond or get out right now? You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Would
Yes.
this case still be hold me in jail?
No,
So I'm getting an OR on it then to the end.
right, yeah, you've been on an OR for this case.
Oh, okay.
We have not been holding you on this matter. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So either the case will be outright dismissed if you were in custody because they can check that, or
Mhm.
two, we will bring you over if you're still in jail. If you make bond and you miss, because we're going to send over the date and you got to be in court for your trial.
Okay.
Okay. Does that make sense?
Mhm.
All right. Okay. We'll get that and then we'll get the paperwork over. It'll be before the end of the day. All
All right.
right.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Mhm.
You can give your headphone back. That's ends the hearing.
Thank you.
Making sure we're done there.
Yes.
All right. Buddy is next. He's at the other end of the hall, so I'll be back soon.
Sure. Doing which Jansen is it? Robert or Richard?
Let me find that again.
Where to go?
I didn't see a first name, but I did see a number,
Yeah,
2106.
Oh, 2106. All right, let me see. That'd be Richard.
All right.
So he's a Thursday PM.
Okay.
And so I will set it. Let's go March 12th. At 1 o'clock, and we'll do a transport order, Sherry, if that'll work.
Yes, ma'am. I'm on it.
Is Amanda there today?
She is.
Oh, okay. I've been sending her stuff, so I just, yeah. I know she appreciates it so much.
Pardon me, Judge, Mr. Buddy is here.
All right.
Hello.
Hello, sir. I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. It looks like you received some tickets December 11th of 2025 for speeding 84 and a 65, no insurance, and driving while suspended.
Yes, ma'am.
You have an absolute right to a trial in these matters. If you want it set for trial, we could do so. But what I'd like for you to do is at least visit with the prosecutor to see what her offer is.
Okay.
If you don't like the offer, then we can set it for trial. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to the prosecutor in private.
All right. Instead of put me in a breakout room.
Leave those on. Good, leave those on. Gonna talk to the prosecutor in a private room, breakout room.
Judge, we've discussed the charges. I'm going to dismiss the no insurance and driving with a suspended license. And he's agreed to plead guilty on exceeding the speed limit with a $125 fine and $23.50 in court costs. So that's $148.50 total.
Uh,
Just trying to save.
Mr. And Mr. Is it Buddy?
It's Booty.
Booty? Mr. Booty, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, ma'am.
That she would be dismissing the insurance and the driving while suspended for you to plead to the speeding ticket.
Yes, ma'am.
And is that how you want to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
By by entering those pleas, that plea though, you're giving up your right to a trial.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
I plead guilty to that.
All right. So to the no insurance and those will be dismissed for your guilty plea. And so that payment, obviously you're in custody right now. Do you have any idea when you'll be released?
I do not. I'm
Okay.
supposed to go for sentencing March 6th
Okay.
for this charge,
Okay.
and then I've got a hold in Leavenworth.
I got
So
you. Okay.
don't know exactly when.
Yeah. Well, what I'll do is I will go into May for payment. Okay.
All right.
You know, if you got a nice grandma or something, maybe she can, you know, help you with the payment or something. But I will go to the end of May, May 29th at 1 o'clock.
All right.
That's when payment will be due. If you're still in custody, it'll remain in payment status. But I will tell you that the city, the court is going into turning things into collections. So the quicker you get it paid, the quicker you don't have to worry about it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So with that, if you don't have any other questions, that'll end the hearing. You'll just have that payment date and hopefully it can be paid at that time.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
If you don't have any other questions, you can give your headphones back.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, moving down to the ladies' pod for Ms. Moe, Amanda Moe. I'll be back.
All right. Thank you.
Pardon me, Judge, Ms. Moe is here.
All right, thank you.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. Looks like you received tickets back June 25th of 2025. They are no insurance, no registration. You have an absolute right to a trial in these matters, but what I'd like for you to do is visit with the prosecutor to see what her offer is. If you don't like the offer, then we can clearly set it for trial. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to talk to the prosecutor in private.
Okay. I'm supposed to ask you to put.
Put that on. That's fine.
Okay.
Good. So it's a breakout room, it's called. Answer questions if you need to.
All right, Judge, the city is
Yes.
going to dismiss the 2 registration charges. That's operating without the registration and switch tags, and then have Ms. Mo plead guilty on the no insurance charge with a $150 fee. So including court costs, that'll be $173.50.
All right. Ms. Mo, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, ma'am.
That 2 of the charges will be dismissed. You will be pleading to no insurance with that $150 fine and the state fee of $23.50.
Okay. Yep.
Now, do you understand that by entering these pleas that you're giving up your right to a trial?
Yes.
All right. And that's how you want to proceed today.
Yes.
So to the charge of no insurance, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I'll accept your plea. The other 2 charges will be dismissed. Total fines and costs are $173.50. I don't know how long you're going to be in custody, but I will give you time to pay.
Okay.
I will go to May 29th, the end of May.
Okay.
I will tell you that if you need more time to pay, you can come and ask for more time.
Okay.
I also understand that the court is going to be turning things over to collections probably middle of the year. So the sooner that you get this paid, the quicker you don't have to worry about it.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Do you have any questions at all?
Nope. That's it.
All right. That'll conclude the hearing. You can give the headphones back. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Judge, lastly is Applegate. I'm going to take a minute. I don't know if she got brought back up here, so I'm going to go dark. Either I'm going to be back fairly quick or a little bit longer while I go down to her.
Okay, sounds good.
Pardon me, Judge, Ms. Applegate is here.
All right, great.
Good afternoon.
Hello, I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have two charges that are unresolved here. Looks like you received tickets back July 16th of 2024. One for no registration, one for no insurance. I want to let you know that you have an absolute right to a trial. However, what I'd like for you to do is visit with the prosecutor and hear what kind of plea offer she has. If you don't like the plea offer, we can always set it for trial.
Okay.
So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to talk to the prosecutor in private.
Okay, thank you.
So you're gonna talk to the
Prosecutor.
prosecutor.
All right, Judge.
Mhm.
I'm going to dismiss the no insurance charge. And Ms. Applegate has agreed to plead guilty to the switch tags charge with a $80 fine. So 103.50 total
All right.
costs.
Miss Applegate, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes.
That she's going to dismiss the no insurance for you to plead to the registration issue. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
Do you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up your right to a trial?
Yes.
And you still want to go ahead with the plea?
Yes.
All right, for the charge of no registration, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I'll accept your plea. The other charge of no insurance will be dismissed. Assess fines and costs for that $103.50. I don't know when you're going to be released. We're not, this charge is not holding you, okay? If I give you to the end of March to get this paid, do you think you could get that taken care of?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I can barely hear you, I'm
Yes,
sorry.
ma'am, I can.
Okay, all right, so I will go to March 27th at 1 o'clock. That'll be your new court date. If you have it all paid by then, great. If you need more time to pay, you'll have to come to court and ask for more time, all right?
Sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Did you have any questions at all?
No.
All right, that'll conclude the hearing. I wish you good luck in your other matters.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
And that's my list.
That's mine.
All right,
Thank
we're doing all
you.
right. You bet. Still going to have about a month of this construction, but I think we've kind of figured out a way to make it all work. So
All
thanks for
right.
your indulgence.
Sounds good. Thank
You bet.
you.
Bye all.
Have a good afternoon, everybody.